This is a portable industrial vacuum in action, cleaning without the cord. On busy job sites and active production floors, cords don't just get in the way. They slow crews down and create real safety hazards. That's where a Ruwac portable industrial vacuum with battery-powered operation changes the game. No outlets to find, no cords to manage, just powerful, consistent suction wherever the job takes you. From tight spaces around equipment to high-traffic work areas, these vacuums move easily and clean efficiently without interrupting workflow. And with rugged construction and industrial-grade performance, they're built to handle the same demanding applications as corded systems. It's a smarter way to clean, improving mobility, reducing trip risks, and keeping operations moving without downtime. Ruwac portable industrial vacuums. Power, performance, and freedom to move. Learn more at ruwac.com.